So, hello Cancer. Right now I'm gonna do your love reading for the month of June 2021. We will just do a straightforward love reading for Cancer people. Okay, it's gonna be just about love only. Okay, what are you going what are you going through right now in your life? What are the challenges in your relationship? Okay, so Cancer, you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Just started with water sign, so I'm doing your reading first. Cancer. So let's start softly. So Cancer, your overall energy is 4 of Pentacles. Okay, underneath we have 9 of Swords, 8 of Swords, sorry. So let's see what's your card is telling us. King of Wands, 3 of Wands, lots of fiery energy, which is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. We have Libra strongly here. Page of Swords, air sign, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. 2 of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and the Fool. We have 2 major arcanas here, which is Justice and the Fool. Okay, and your overall energy is 4 of Pentacles. Underneath we have 8 of Swords. What's on your mind? You are waiting, or you are going some, thinking and still thinking, something like that. So Cancer, your overall energy is 4 of Pentacles. Okay, 4 of Pentacles, when it appears in love reading, it's all about, just clingy lover. Okay, jealousy, feeling insecure. Okay, holding, just holding tight something, holding very, or it could be, holding on to past, something like that, very insecure about something. This shows here that this relationship is very clingy and even suffocating sometimes. Okay, you or your partner, I think both are feeling same in this situation, or feeling stuck in this situation. Okay, one is very jealousy, like very insecure, and holding here tightly. It also shows possessiveness. Okay, very possessive towards you, or you are very possessive towards him or her. Okay, maybe you or your partner filled with jealousy and some types of insecurity towards each other. Okay, something like that. In this relationship, I am feeling like some insecurity or fear is involved in this relationship. Okay, some fear is involved in this relationship. I don't know, you will relate this, which type of insecurity or fear is, just doing this all. Or this also shows that, there is likely you are still holding on to something from past. Something from past. So you are just trying to control this situation, trying to control the person you are dealing with, or they are controlling you, something like that. Definitely here some injustice has happened, because we received this major arcanas card, Justice here. The Justice card here from major arcanas is showing me, and just trying to pick up the energy that here some injustice happens in your past. So that's why you are feeling very insecure, not trusting anybody, just creating boundaries around you, and just not letting another person come towards you, something this. Okay, so here Justice is telling me all this. Okay, so here we have also 8 of Swords, like very stuck energy and very, just hangman energies, like stuck onto something or some people, not letting her or him go anywhere. Very possessiveness and very, like very stubborn energy here. Okay, so here this you are dealing with King of Wands, like fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This sign has this type of traits that, you know, very stubborn and very, you know, maturity, born leader type personality. And King of Wands is very leader type, leadership quality, like. Okay, so he is, you know, I'm just picking up on energy here that this Three of Wands is telling me that I don't know, take what resonate, some third party is involved in this, like you know, just can predict the unwanted interference of someone else into your relationship. Okay, it could be third person, it could be something, take what resonate with you. They may think that they are, you know, helping you or your partner, something like that. But you know what they say, two is a company but three is a crowd, something. It also depicts that you are unsure where you stand with your partner, or what their feelings, or what their feelings towards you. You are very unsure about that. Okay, very unsure about that. But don't worry, all will become clear soon. Okay, all will clear soon, because this is a card of it depicts some waiting and just waiting for clarity, something like that. Here Ace of Swords is not present, but exactly some clarity is coming into your way. That's why you are waiting and in that condition. So definitely the three here, you just telling me that third one is involved in this. Okay, third one is involved in this. So that's why this Two of Pentacles here showing me that because of this third one or something waiting energy, you are still, you know, in that Two of Pentacles. You are trying to, you know, just balancing things and just juggling between two people. Your person is juggling with two people or two things in his her life. Okay, that's why clarity is not here in your life. That's why clarity is not here. Once they will free from that side, they will definitely give you a justice here. Okay, but definitely I'm just picking up on energy here. Someone is controlling him or her in their life, like they have very King of Wands type personality. Okay, but still they are, you know, King of Wands is clarified by Page of Swords. They are watching you, they are spying on you and examining you, like they are not sure about you. Clearly, the clear statement is this: they are not sure about you. Okay, they are not sure about you, but definitely that's why stuck energy is here. Okay, that's why stuck energy here, juggling between two people, two person. And this Three of Wands is exactly the, you know, clearly showing me that third one is definitely involved, and obviously he or she is the crowd, creating some conflict, chaos between you two and controlling him or her, because you are far, you know, this energy is a long distance energy. You are far from them, but you know the third one is very close to him or her. Okay, so that's why they are just, you know, taking advantage of that. They are taking advantage of that, you know, closeness or something like that, and you are far from him or her. So here the scenario is that, the story is that, and that's why you're feeling insecure. I think this is your energy, Cancer. You are feeling very insecure in this relationship, and you are not unable to, you know, unable to move forward. You are not feeling, you know, you just stuck on this. You are feeling very stuck on this. Here Hangman energy is not there, but I'm just, you know, feeling that energy. So here justice is clarified by Fool. So Fool represents, you know, just very carefree nature and some new beginnings, and when it appears in love reading, it will definitely brings you some new opportunity in your life. We have here the Sun and number 0. 0 is all about new beginnings. Okay, so what are you feeling right now? Very stuck, and this June will definitely, I'm damn sure that this June will bring some clarity in your life, in your relationship, because we have Major Arcana, the Fool card. You will receive some, you know, you will definitely receive some clarity in your life about this relationship. What your person is going through right now, or juggling between two people or two things or something like that. So definitely the Fool is all about clean slate. Okay, all about clean slate. You will definitely receive justice. We have Justice card. That's why I'm telling you that some injustice happens in your past or something like that. But yes, don't worry, it's a part of your journey. So now I will take one card as an outcome of this relationship, or some angel, you know, angel message for you, one advice for you, Cancer. My sun sign zodiac is Cancer and moon in Virgo I have. So I will relate this all. Okay, I can relate this, what is happening in life, in Cancer life right now. This is the best reading, okay, for Cancer. Very clear. Oh, we received 2 cards. I will take this too. Exactly. Before I will just go to this card, I will I just want to talk about this 7 of Swords. 7 of Swords is very sneaky energy. Something I'm very sure about that. Something injustice is happened in your life, in your past or your recent past. It's some you cheated someone, or you have cheated so many times in your life, like something like that. This is very sneaky energy. Exactly. Injustice has happened to you. I know that. But you're still very, I will take this. Yeah. So you are feeling left out in a cold. 5 of Pentacles and Ace of Cups. Definitely SS is all about new beginnings. Okay. This is your advice that we have new beginnings. 2 cards I have, that Fool and Ace of Cups. Some cup will offer to you, come in your, in your current future. Aces will definitely comes into your life. So what are you feeling right now? 5 of Pentacles. Don't feel that. Angel is advising you that don't feel this. Okay, because Aces is this cup of love is coming into your life. Definitely comes into your life, this Ace of Cups. Okay, that's why we received 2 cards here, because you are feeling this and now you are getting into this. So here, this is your reading, Cancer. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends if you like what I do. Thank you, Cancer.